feel the master. I feel them. Y'all ready? They ready? Well, come on. Well, come on. Y'all ready? They ready? We ready? We ready? Come on. We ready? We ready? Come on. Break bread folk. Break bread folk. Break bread folk. Break bread folk. Come on. We ready? We ready? Come on. We ready? We ready? There ain't no question about who the best. Makes it go make it track it hard to come to do the rest. Step in your way, multiple shots are going through the test. You must have gone past the target, boy. You was blessed. And I'ma take them out the game, y'all. It ain't no thing, y'all. You on the buck, I rip you up like a chainsaw. The game's ball, boy. Beating for dark, diamond hits. And all she ain't gon' stop dropping shit. I'ma make $1 million and stand on the top of it. Rockin' it till the day I die in this game. Archie with the back, boy, adding the fire to the flame. What's up, huh? Country boy, you said something. If you're ready, why you stumbling into the flow, huh? If you're ready, why you stuttering, I ain't know. I'ma show them why they call it dirty. There is no verse in the player, haters, cause he ain't worth it. Heard of me in hell no, before I bet you done heard of me now. Atlanta, Georgia, where the dirt have been found. See, I done did this since my younger days. Only 16, but my back is never underage. So let's get paid, cause I stay ready for it. You is crazy if you think that you ready for me. So who's ready now? Who's ready now? To knock you around. I ain't twisted up the game, there's a knocking it now. And if you didn't see it coming, fat boy locking it down.
You better step your game up. Know what's up with your boy, you better step your game up. Weak rhymes beneath mine, you better step your game up. You ain't fucking with your boy, you better step your game up. Been deep in the game since my younger ages. Squad lines and free times in my younger phases. The word plays, I had it, then I stole the metaphor to keep my content flowing high like when you see the kettle pour. Tell me what's the battle for? Bring out your battle scores. I have your mind playing tricks like the Ghetto Boys. Just ask anybody, there's no debate in the tapes. I'm like a father to these cows, the way I'm raising the stakes. So, take some quarter slim and slow your rolls. The boys in the block, you better know your role, cause the scheme's complex, the rhyme is fattening. Yo, the similes is next, man, the style is patent. I get them gasping, there's no need for wheels, no grills, no necks, chill when the skill is platinum. I make it happen, so I ain't feeling the hold up. When my status is terrorist, man, I'm down to blow up.
Let's have it, let's have it, let's have it.
You wanna fuck with your boy, you better step your game up. Know what's up with your boy, you better step your game up. Weak rhymes beneath mine, you better step your game up. You ain't fucking with your boy, you better step your game up. You wanna fuck with your boy, you better step your game up. Know what's up with your boy, you better step your game up. Weak rhymes beneath mine, you better step your game up. You ain't fucking with your boy, you better step your game up. You see, I told him already, my lines be dope and it's heavy already, scoping it steady. So why you choking already? Your breath be blowing it heavy. What's the purpose? You nervous already, shaking in your place like I be holding machetes. So just praise me, my ladies, I'm ready. Pay me my bakery, you jocking swags, you fag. On the daily, you petty. Heard you saying you fave me, I just laugh at your acts. I'm a grown man, fair, no time for playing with babies. Cause on the daily I'm grinding, always hustling with dudes, and I ain't afraid to be honest. I got nothing to lose, just got something to prove. That's why I'm in the lab, lacing the past. So I got something to move, and you can grasp it or pass it. You can feel it if you want to. Test it on a marker, man, refund it if it won't move. Won't do what's righteous. Yo, despite of this, I shake fools and make moves and rise nasty than pedophiles at the sight of kids. You wanna fuck with your boy, you better step your game up. Know what's up with your boy, you better step your game up. Weak rhymes beneath mine, you better step your game up. You ain't fucking with your boy, you better step your game up. You wanna fuck with your boy, you better step your game up. Know what's up with your boy, you better step your game up. Weak rhymes beneath mine, you better step your game up. You ain't fucking with your boy, you better step your game up.
I've been sleeping too long, gotta wake up and stretch. Head in bed and beg, no need to put me in check. I'm bringing power with knowledge, not learn from reading them texts. I'm what you're seeking, you next. My soul a bulletproof vest. Ain't gotta think of no less, rest with no worries and stress. Some money keep them guessing, ain't gotta teach them lessons. My people see it in me, never letting down the people believing in me. It's hellish and evil indeed. Reach for the beacon and let it be. It's what make this shit worthwhile, what it guarantee. These people are evil, man, and it's
we the best! We taking over! Listen!
Spread out with it. South Carolina, Alabama, Mississippi, on the North Carolina, Philadelphia, Virginia. From down to Miami, where it warm, and the one on up to Minnesota, where it's storm, and the one Jacksonville, Tallahassee, Memphis, holla at the Southside, Cloverland, that I'm the man out in Dallas. Better ass Cali, Catman and Cali with my eyes open badly. Blowing that spinning, going down Benny. Drop 643, wheel and switch it. Red light stop, make it drop from the bitch. Block 4-5, blow your head out with it. Anything lit, I see it. Ain't got the crown and spread out with it. Say you need bricks, I said I get it.
We can supply you. Got enough work to feed the whole town. They won't shoot you unless you try to. Come around and try to stop on our ground. Cause we taking over. Said we taking over. Said we taking over. Said we taking over.
It's what I does, I get money a day I does that. It's how I ride, black flag on the left, two hoes and ride, you better move. AK, I'm dead, get shut up like Shine, that's on my neck. I'm big like Diddy, damn it, I'm with it. Cali, we did it, Biggie of my city. Please no fit it, fuck it, I'm too pretty. The rap and get brain, stupid, money that come, run it like mommy so hot, damn it, she Miami on fire, you better be. Might get shot on the porch of your fortress. Yeah, they see it, but no one reports it. I run this strip right out of shit.
Said we taking over. Said we taking over. Said we taking over.
BXTS, nigga. Back when you see crack, better duck like the Mac got an East Pass. Nigga, what shit? I don't give a fuck, I run these streets. Y'all talk that shit, I want that beef. I'ma tell you like a G told me. He'll come back quick if a nigga OD. Cash rule everything around me. I'm YSL, Versace. You can see me in that Porsche GT. Coming down Sunset, sitting on D. Feeling like Pac, all eyes on me. Fresh bandana and I'm blowing that trees. Nigga, please, I spit crack every verse a key. Some say Cali, some say Khalid. 12 years down and I'm finally free.
We can supply you. Got enough work to feed the whole town. They won't shoot you unless you try to. Come around and try to stop on our ground. Cause we taking over. Said we taking over.
nigga couldn't make me wrong, so we got him done. Fucking with the family, I'ma give him some. Spent that condo, he didn't run. Sunday had a whole church singing a song. Why they had to send my baby home? Fucking with some niggas that paper long. Been a G in the game, now my son on the throne.
I am the beast. Feed me rappers or feed me beats. I'm untamed, I need a leash. I'm insane, I need a shrink. I love brain, I need a leech. Why complain on easy streets? I don't even talk and let the visa speak. And I like my Sprite Easter pink. And my wrist special pub, but the mule is cooler. I have more juice than your jeweler. Touching, I will bust your medulla. That's a bullet hole, it is not a tumor. Red light, stop your rumors. I stay on track like a box of Pumas. I just rock with Junior. I am the little big
Cause we take it over.
One city at a time.
Bezel when you see him, peanut butter seats pushing in the beacon. From the view to the heights, back to the peak. Valley High 29, back to the G. Highlands, the man is back to the east. West Side 6, 8, I am the street. Stop hating, the boy get caking. Chip up, just get taken. Princess cut, now let it take it. The iPhone or the BlackBerry pages. I'm on buttons, ride down trucks. Next album, 09, can't knock the hustle. We in the living room getting it on. She can leave it till 6 in the morning. Let's go.
Kills me to say the hate's at an all-time rate. Me and Sack relate, but it's like a love-hate. And even though the support system ain't straight, I still scream 916 till I'm blue in the face. No trace of fake in my DNA, and I gotta be real in everything I say. I never be weak, I plant my feet, I speak my mind. I love SAC like a twin, might bend, won't break. This good game.